I bet you didn't know your colon could be the key to unlocking more energy and vitality naturally. Today, we're diving into a topic essential for your well-being: colon health. Our colons eliminate waste, but toxins can build up, leaving us sluggish. I'm excited to share powerful, natural ways to support your body's cleansing process. We'll explore herbal remedies like aloe vera and psyllium husk, nature's secrets for a healthier you. Remember, always consult your doctor before starting any new health regimen. Let's start with a colon health superstar, psyllium husk. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to support your digestive system, this humble fiber is a game changer. For centuries, people have turned to psyllium husk for its gentle yet powerful effects on gut health. It's not just a supplement, it's a daily ally for your colon, working quietly behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. Whether you're new to fiber or already a fan, understanding how psyllium works can help you make the most of its benefits. Psyllium husk comes from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, a small shrub native to India and parts of the Mediterranean. The husk is packed with soluble fiber, which acts like a gentle broom for your colon, sweeping through your digestive tract and helping to clear out waste. Unlike harsh laxatives, psyllium works in harmony with your body, making it a safe and effective choice for daily use. Most of us don't get nearly enough fiber in our diets. In fact, the average person consumes less than half the recommended daily amount. But our colons rely on fiber to keep things moving smoothly and to prevent issues like constipation, bloating, and irregularity. Adding more fiber, especially from sources like psyllium, can make a noticeable difference in how you feel day to day. When you mix psyllium with water, it absorbs the liquid and swells up, forming a soft, gel-like substance. This gel helps to soften stool, making it easier and more comfortable to pass. It also adds bulk, which signals your body that it's time to go, helping to keep your digestive system regular and efficient. But psyllium does more than just keep you regular. As it moves through your gut, it helps sweep away waste and toxins, creating a cleaner environment for healthy gut bacteria to thrive. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, improved immunity, and even a brighter mood. By supporting your gut bacteria, psyllium helps lay the foundation for overall wellness. The best part? Psyllium is incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. You can stir it into smoothies, mix it with water or juice, take it in capsule form, or even bake it into your favorite recipes. Its mild flavor means it blends seamlessly into most foods and drinks, making it a convenient choice for busy lifestyles. If you're new to psyllium, start with a small amount, about half a teaspoon, and gradually increase your intake over a week or two. This gives your body time to adjust and helps you avoid any temporary bloating or discomfort. And always remember to drink plenty of water, since fiber needs liquid to do its job properly. With just a little effort, you can make psyllium husk your colon's best friend. It's a simple, natural step toward a happier gut, better digestion, and a healthier you. Next up, let's explore aloe vera, a remarkable plant that's earned its reputation as a soothing healer, both inside and out. For centuries, aloe vera has been cherished in traditional medicine for its cooling, calming properties. While many people know it as a go-to remedy for sunburns and skin irritations, its benefits go much deeper, especially when it comes to digestive health. The clear, thick gel inside aloe vera leaves is packed with a powerful blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation and promote healing, particularly in the colon and digestive tract. Aloe vera's natural compounds help soothe irritation, making it a gentle option for those struggling with digestive discomfort or inflammation. One of aloe vera's most impressive qualities is its ability to help balance the gut microbiome. By supporting the growth of healthy gut bacteria, aloe vera creates an environment where digestion can thrive. This balance is essential for nutrient absorption, regularity, and overall digestive wellness. Aloe vera is also rich in natural enzymes that assist in breaking down food more efficiently. These enzymes can help ease common digestive issues like bloating, gas, and discomfort after meals. By supporting smoother digestion, aloe vera helps you feel lighter and more comfortable. There are many ways to enjoy the benefits of aloe vera. You can drink it as a juice, take it in capsule form, or even scoop out the fresh gel from the leaf. Whichever method you choose, it's important to select reputable brands and always follow the recommended dosage instructions to ensure safety and effectiveness. For those dealing with digestive issues, whether it's occasional discomfort or ongoing challenges, aloe vera can offer gentle, natural support. Its soothing properties make it a comforting addition to your wellness routine, helping to calm the digestive system and promote overall gut health. Remember, always use aloe vera as directed and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. With mindful use, aloe vera can be a valuable ally on your journey to better digestive health. Now, let's talk about ginger root, a true digestive powerhouse that's been cherished for centuries across cultures. This humble root, with its spicy aroma and warming flavor, is far more than just a kitchen staple. For generations, people have turned to ginger not only to add zest to their meals, but also to soothe their stomachs and support overall digestive wellness. Ginger is renowned for its ability to calm nausea, whether it's from motion sickness, pregnancy, or an upset stomach. It's also a natural remedy for reducing gas and bloating, making it a go-to for those uncomfortable moments after a heavy meal. By stimulating bowel movements, ginger helps keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract, which is essential for regularity and comfort. The secret lies in ginger's unique compounds, like gingerol and shogaol, which work together to relax the muscles of your gut and boost the production of digestive juices. This not only eases discomfort, but also helps your body break down food more efficiently, ensuring you get the most nutrients from every bite. Think of ginger as a gentle nudge for your digestive system, a natural way to encourage balance and harmony in your gut. It's like having a supportive friend that helps you feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. There are so many easy ways to add ginger to your daily routine. Try grating fresh ginger into your morning smoothie, stirring slices into a comforting soup, or brewing a cup of ginger tea to sip after dinner. If you're on the go, ginger chews and capsules are convenient options that deliver the same digestive benefits. Ginger is incredibly versatile, blending seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes. It's easy to use, widely available, and a simple way to support your colon health and overall digestive function every single day. Make ginger a daily habit, and you'll be giving your gut the gentle care it deserves, helping you feel happier, lighter, and more energized from the inside out. Senna leaf is a time-tested remedy for occasional constipation. Its senna-sides stimulate the colon, helping to move things along. Use senna sparingly and only when needed. It's not for long-term use. Overuse can cause dependence, so always follow dosage instructions. Consult your healthcare provider before trying senna, especially if you have health conditions. Find it in teas, capsules, or over-the-counter products. Slippery elm is a lesser-known herb that soothes the digestive tract. Its mucilage coats and protects irritated tissues, reducing inflammation. It can help bulk up stool and ease constipation, especially for those with bowel conditions. Slippery elm also contains antioxidants to protect your gut. Try it as powder, capsules, or tea. Just mix with water and drink daily. It's a gentle, natural way to support colon comfort. Dandelion root is more than a weed. It's a detoxifying powerhouse. It acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out excess water and toxins. Dandelion root also supports liver function, boosting your body's detox abilities. Enjoy it as tea, capsules, or fresh greens in salads and smoothies. Choose quality products for the best results. Dandelion root is a simple way to enhance colon and liver health. Let's explore Triphala, an Ayurvedic blend of 3 fruits, Amalaki, Bibitaki, and Haritaki. Together, they gently cleanse and detoxify the digestive tract, supporting regularity and gut health. Triphala is rich in antioxidants and helps balance gut bacteria. It's gentle enough for daily use and supports overall digestive wellness. Find Triphala in powder, capsules, or tablets. Take it on an empty stomach with warm water. Ancient wisdom, modern benefits. There you have it, nature's herbal allies for a healthier colon. Remember, true colon health comes from a balanced diet, hydration, movement, and stress management. Thanks for joining me. If you found these tips helpful, like and subscribe for more health insights. Here's to your journey toward optimal well-being.